In my video guide, I will give you detailed recommendations on how to remove the scary pop-ups, the misleading pop-ups that are coming from the site Topimg.click. This site, Topimg.click, is extremely deceptive. It tries to force people into actually clicking on a special allow button, supposedly to help users continue their browsing or to prove that they are humans, or for some other reasons. But believe me, it is a mistake to click on allow. If the allow button gets mistakenly clicked, your browser will be hijacked and infected with numerous advertisements that will be periodically attacking the screen. So, to remove such ads, go to the menu, then Settings, then Privacy and Security, Site Settings. Go down to Permissions and click on Notifications. Pay attention to the sites which are allowed to send notifications and remove any malicious websites from this list. This will be the manual solution to get your browser fixed. However, I also recommend that you additionally investigate your system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The best place where you can get it is on this website, combocleaner.com. Download the application, install it, and begin researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.